think it's their winter. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. But it's cold. I was supposed to do more filming yesterday, and this travel vlog thing can get tough. Like sometimes you gotta ask yourself, what's more important to you? Travel vlogging or trying to experience everything to its fullest? Anyways, this morning we're about to leave the hotel, head out to this city, look at the architecture, try to look at museums and discover the city for itself, eat some cultural food, and have a good time. Alright guys, yeah. Cemetery, I believe that's how you say it, and these are some huge mausoleums. Many of them have many family members, but they're huge, and it looks cool. I think this is one of the top things to do in Argentina. I mean, it's just a cemetery, but the architecture is cool. Really has that authentic or old style feel to it, where they looks like they haven't updated much. I like that a lot. Now we're about to, I guess this is as close to the center as we get. We're about to walk through the market. It's supposed to be like an outside flea market thing, but I guess it's raining today. Maybe it's just not the day, but we're on the way there. Dulce de leche. We just tried samples. It's pretty much milk and sugar. It's kind of like a caramel, but it tastes sweet. It's very, very good. So if you ever come to Buenos Aires, please try dulce de leche. It's really, really good. And the lady that worked there speaks English, helping us with our Espanol, and she was very, very great, very friendly. So please try dulce de leche. Right now, we're still looking through the market. It's a bunch of food and some more shops. So we're at Plaza de Mayo. Honestly, I forgot. Some significance, but honestly I just forgot. But right now I got to pee so bad and I can't really think about it. But this is it. And I like the culture and I accept it. A lot of the side foods are good. But now, pretty much done. And we need to head back to the airport. So, ciao. Oh yeah, ciao.